AMG G-Wagon with factory satin paint on it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cover it completely in our Stealth Envision Fancy film in combination with black S-Tech film.
What are you up to?
Watching YouTube videos.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
He does that too. Like I'll be fine when we chat, then I'll be like, so what are you doing right now?
If anything, I really feel like it's enhancing the color too.
I love this.
Like I feel like it's made it
makes
even
the depth
better looking. And then I know I can do this to it and I don't have to worry.
All I gotta say is that's the most difficult freaking fender I've ever done in my life.
Most difficult fender in your life?
Most difficult fender in my life. Yeah, we're probably after this one.
Not up to your standards?
Not up to my standards.
Check out this trimming. Perfect size.
Trying to tuck this down in this tight little area here. Also.
Get something, Chance?
Oh, not the time. Dude, it's a hard panel, mate.
You said I'll grab you for the quarters. Just describe what you're doing right this second.
Squeegeeing water out of underneath the clear sticker. Kind of just winging it.
This is definitely a new way of trying to do this.
Nice part about doing it this way without a kit is we won't have an ugly seam line right there.
Or here, or here, or here, or here.
Everywhere.
Or here. We don't want the seams.
Don't like the seams.
Oh, we're back.
Don't worry, Sam's back. Whoa. Debris everywhere. Sam, you want to bring me soap? Tank?
Yeah, that one's on here.
Keep going.
Gone. The one that was there. Sometimes, no matter how much we try, you still get a little bit of debris in there. And that was Chance flushing it out so it's not in the paint protection, which luckily this stuff is really forgiving and you have the ability to get it out as long as it hasn't dried completely. And it looks like he's successful. There it is. That is a lot better though than having a seam
Yeah.
right in the middle of your
And a lot less scary. I mean, you saw how much I was able to work.
It's actually going to work out really good.
Spray outside, Sam.
I mean, it only costs like double in material doing it the right way, but we have that.
How big is this piece?
It's 10 inches bigger than the kit. So it's 140 inches lengthwise and then 58 inches wide.
Just finished up this new AMG G63 G-Wagon. We covered the factory satin paint in Stealth paint protection. Help keep this paint protected so we don't get any scratches on it. We pulled apart the side steps here and we added a gloss 8.5 mil thick paint protection so it'll stay nice and glossy and help get protected, as well as we wrapped the mirror caps in the same material. We added these 22-inch Vossen wheels with a Toyo AT, giving it kind of an aggressive off-road look. We also added full ceramic window tint and windshield protectant.